Hi guys! Good morning. Today is a Wednesday. It's April 17 and it's currently 8:02 in the morning and I have my morning class ng 8. And then I'm running late as usual. But here I am vlogging. So today's video would actually be a realistic day in my life. I'll try to film as much as I can. And then titignan ko if flop. If flop, gagawin na lang ako weekly vlog with it. Let's see. So today, I'm actually gonna go to school for NSTP. And then later, after that, I'll have today is actually lab day. Lab day namin today sa what do you call this? Anakem. And then after that, meron pa kaming, baka magstay kami ng campus hanggang 7:30 to 8 p.m. Kasi tomorrow is courtesy call namin siya sa community. So, pupunta kami ng community para mag-conduct ng mga surveys and such. And mag-interview ng mga people sa community. Kasi it's for our research. So, we're preparing for that. Kaya medyo busy today. And I'm also talking to you while I'm actually preparing my stuff. Actually later, tatry ko pa isingit pumunta ng SM kasi I really need to buy stuff. But, let's see. Inisipon pa ako, di ko alam bakit. I was supposed to bring this, pero baka ito na lang. Para maliit lang. Bigat na ng bag ko, guys. Feeling ko bawasan ko to. This is the current situation. I'm transferring my stuff. But I'm chill. I'm good. Ito. Ano ba? Gamay baon. Pagod na ako, papunta pa lang ako. Okay. Ang dami kong dala. wag. Ikaw yung printer mo, papabalik ka doon. Madami kang babalikan. Nila doon. Alam mo, race car yun. F1. Nawatsan mo na ba tayo? Para hindi na tayo babalik. Hindi, gusto nyo mauna na kayo sa baba, sa expression.
One year daw. Check. Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Ilang aso? Ilang aso lang si Matt. Babayaran mo.
Naglugan ba? Blue stick ba? Mataas lang ata tolerance mo eh.
Oo, mataas lang yung tolerance ko.
Tikman mo dyan. Talagang mukha ka.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Matthew. Iwan ka na namin.
Uy, may dadalhin pa tayo.
Ay guys, ano po bibili nyo?
PlayStation pala. Gulat si Miss Completa. Patangay kalas ka. Actually, ni Word yan kasi simula dati pa rin. Maintenance. Isa lang ba?
Alam mo, parang uminit agad. Sayawan mo.
Sorry, ganito talaga kapag gano'n. Parang bungal naman. Bungal na ahas.
Parang ang dami mong pinagawa sa atin. Kapit na to. Ay, yan. Natanong ko yung certificate na yan. Uy, grabe. Bakit pa yun? Ano na namin?
Kunin natin. Walang nabawas.
1.3 yung kanina.
Kailangan din.
Sobrang baba lang
Tingnan mo.
naman.
Yan lang yung nabawas.
Yan lang nabawas.
Yan ba? Tapos ito
Kasi
na siya.
detailed kami.
Tingnan natin.
Sabi ni sir, kapag daw mas on,
Ayoko kasi yan. Oo, naiiyak ako sa buong class. Pero kapag... God.
Uy, anak ni God.
Titration God. Anak eh? Hindi. Ano, magtatay ko. 100%. Thank you. Pinombalag niya wala yung steps. Nag-film na lang ngayon.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Say hi!
Ikaw magbabahay. Sige. Sa babahay ko ba? Yan ako ba? Bak na.
Para ma-demonetize.
Wag! Tapos dalawa ko kayo kasi alam ko. Ito ko na rin. Yung
Anong gagawin ko?
Uy, wait lang.
5 years na.
Yung wala.
Edit mo na lang.
Be, ang pangit ng cellphone ko. Sino naka-iPhone?
JRG po. Biglang na pumasok.
Be, ano pa? Paano ba ito? Diyos ko, sorry. Android ka din eh. Android. Android ka. Hindi na kasi mawag.
Sabi natin, gardo mo.
Hi guys, I'm back in the dorm and 7:21 na, hindi pa ako nakakain ng dinner ko kasi obviously I just came home from school and today is a very productive day. As you can see, ang dami naming ginawa and I tried to film as much as I can but yun ang yung nakayanan ko. That's the update. I'll get back to you when I'm done eating. Actually, I'll show you my food. My food is from Happy Boru. I deserve this. And then I'll relax for a bit. And then we'll continue... What? I'll continue working on my MMW prob set. Kasi nasimulan ko na siya kagabi. And then we'll continue doing it right now. Hi guys, so update. It's 10:27 in the evening and I ended up, di ba ang haggard? I ended up not doing or continuing pala my problem set for MMW kasi may nasimulan naman ako and pwede ko siyang i-continue pag-uwi ko tomorrow. So, I will be spending the rest of the time to rest and to get ready for tomorrow. So, ipapack ko na yung bag na dadalhin ko. Dadalhin ko lang is tote bag and then some essentials katulad ng payong, ng tubig, clipboard, and such. And then after that, we'll go to bed and then sleep or rest. Hi guys! So, hindi ko na film, but I got all my stuff ready na. So that tomorrow, maliligo na lang ako and then magpe-prepare. So I bought an extra t-shirt. I have my clipboard and my pen. I also have my keys, dorm keys here na rin. I also bought pencil. I have my wallets in here as well. And then I bought panyo and then payong. Then I'll also be bringing water. Stay hydrated, kids.